Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is ab initio. Ab initio. Ab initio. Ab initio is a Latin phrase that means from the beginning or from the start. It is used to indicate that something has been considered or analyzed from its very beginning or inception. Examples: 1. The legal contract was declared void ab initio because it was based on fraudulent information. In this sentence, ab initio is used to describe that the contract was considered void from the very beginning due to fraudulent information. 2. The investigation into the company's financial irregularities began ab initio with a review of its initial transactions. Here, ab initio indicates that the investigation started from the very beginning, examining the company's initial transactions. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.